One of the interesting things that's happened over the last 8 years, a little surprising, is the way our customers truly want to engage with us. Most people that buy a greenhouse from us have never owned a greenhouse. They don't know anything about greenhouses. My wife and I were no different. I'd never owned a greenhouse. My wife had never owned a greenhouse when we first started looking at them 8 years ago and when I decided to build one. And so a lot of our customers are in the same exact boat we were in. That's one of the nice things about my wife and I using a greenhouse is we've gained a lot of knowledge over the years that we like to share with people. We want to share with people, and our customers want to share what they've learned. And so we want to engage with our customer back and forth. We want the customer to give us information and share with us ideas, and we want to share ideas. We can go to a home and garden show somewhere and just set up a greenhouse to be at the garden show, and somebody will walk up and say to us, "Oh my gosh, I've got a Yoderbilt greenhouse," and they want to share what they're doing with it. So that's a really unique experience, something that we experience daily, something natural that's happened that I never thought we would see